Misyon Makine. Realized under the partnership Safet Taran, Refik Alten, and Hassan Basri Basholo. In 2012, over a 50 square meter area, Misyon Makine shortly climbed the ladder in the industry, becoming a value that exports to numerous countries around the world, keeping customer satisfaction as its main priority since the beginning. Misyon Makine manufactures carpet washing, dusting, and wringing machinery in 260, 320, and 420 centimeter lengths using stainless steel. The advanced carpet washing machines manufactured by Misyon Makine are incorporated with pneumatic systems, upgradable brush systems, and independent motors and reducers on each brush. Also incorporated with vacuum technology, the washing machine cleans top and bottom side of carpets without damaging its originality and applies pressure adjusted per carpet. It incorporates all features, including electric and water panels. One of the world's biggest manufacturing companies, Misyon Makine includes a brushing system in its dusting machines, along with 4 carpet beaters. Standing out with their power and water-saving features, our company also provides solution-focused and consistently available post-sales service. Combining pneumatic lid and automatic brake wringing machines with guaranteed product advantage and its marketing systems, Misyon Makine has been continuing toward their goal of becoming the best company of the world since 2012, with the motto, "Everyone will have a mission," keeping R&D and quality standards as high as possible.